Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Roblox credentials and basic security. Make sure the email and password you enter are current. Once done, sign out everywhere from your account security page to clear lingering sessions and enable two-step verification to prevent unauthorized logins. This reduces forced logouts when the platform detects suspicious activity. If you use shared devices, remove saved passwords so they do not conflict. These steps address the most common causes before deeper troubleshooting. Now you tackle app and network causes. Clear the Roblox cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupted files and make sure the game is up to date. Next, verify your network. Unstable Wi-Fi can break sessions, so switch to cellular or another network to test. Also disable VPNs or proxies that can trigger account locks. Make sure your device OS is updated. Mismatched versions can create authentication errors. These middle steps resolve many persistent logout loops. Finally, you finish by cleaning up account access and devices. Review active sessions and revoke any unknown devices so your account isn't forced to log out repeatedly. Reset your password, run a malware scan on your device, and confirm parental or privacy settings aren't kicking you out. If logouts continue, gather your account ID and recent activity, then contact Roblox support. This speeds resolution. Quick troubleshooting tip. Try a different device to isolate whether the problem is account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.